We thank you for your call. By holding the line, you consent to the processing of data. To contact the operator, press 0. All operators are still busy. Please wait. The waiting time is approximately 1 minute. While you wait, I will be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you. Regards, Cool Apple. The person you were talking to has put the call on hold. Please wait.